Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
A person develops attachment for them, and from such attachment, lust develops, and from lust, anger arises. Purport: one who is not Krishna conscious is subjected to material desires while contemplating the objects of senses. The senses require real engagement, and if they are not engaged in the transcendental loving service of the Lord, they will certainly seek engagement in the service of materialism.
Yes, here is the secret of yoga system. The yoga, indriya samyama. The real purpose of yoga is to control the senses. Our material activities mean to engage the sense in some particular objective or enjoyment. That is our material engagement. And yoga system means that you have to control the senses and detach the senses from material enjoyment or material pleasure and pains and divert it, focusing towards seeing the super soul Vishnu within yourself. That is the real purpose of yoga. Yoga does not mean, of course, in the beginning there are defined rules and regulations, sitting posture, just to bring the mind under control. But they are not end themselves. The end is to stop the material engagement and begin spiritual engagement. So here it is explained. Go on reading.
In the material world, everyone, including Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma, to say nothing of other demigods in the heavenly planets, is subjected to the influence of dense objects.
Sense objects. Yes.
Dense objects. And the only method to get out of this puzzle of material existence is to become Krishna conscious.
It is learned from Vedic literature that, of course, they are showing us Lord Shiva, Lord Brahma. They were also sometimes attracted by sense objects. Just like Lord Brahma, his daughter Saraswati. Saraswati is considered to be the most perfect form of beauty, womanly beauty, Saraswati. So, Lord Brahma became enchanted by the beauty of his daughter. Just to show us the example that even personalities like Lord Brahma sometimes become enchanted. This Maya is so strong. He forgot that she is my daughter. Then, to penance this, Brahma had to quit the body. These stories are there in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Similarly, Lord Shiva also, when Krishna appeared before him in Mohini Murti, Mohini means the most enchanting, beautiful, womanly form. Lord Shiva also became mad after her. So, wherever she was going, Lord Shiva was chasing. And it is stated that while chasing Mohini Murti, Lord Shiva had discharged. So, these examples are there. As it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Daividhi sa gunamayi mama maya durattaya. The whole material energy is enchanting every one of us by this beauty, the womanly beauty. Actually, there is no beauty. It is illusion. Shankaracharya says that you are after this beauty, but have you analyzed this beauty? What is the beauty? Ita rakta mangsa vikaram. It is just like our student Govinda Dasi and Naranarayan molding plaster of Paris. At this time there is no attraction. But this plaster of Paris, when it will be nicely painted, it will be so attractive. Similarly, this body is combination of blood and muscles and veins. If you cut the upper portion of your body, as soon as you see inside, it is all obnoxious, horrible things. But outwardly so painted by the illusory color of Maya, it is very attractive. And that is attracting our senses. This is the cause of our bondage.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.